The P0441 code indicates an incorrect purge flow in your vehicle's EVAP, evaporative emission control system. This system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When the PCM detects an improper flow of these vapors during the purge process, it triggers the P0441 code. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing this common issue, prevalent in ICE vehicles manufactured between 1996 and the mid-2020s. The EVAP system consists of several components: a purge valve, vent valve, charcoal canister, fuel tank pressure sensor, and connecting hoses. Fuel vapors are stored in the charcoal canister. When the engine is running, the PCM opens the purge valve, allowing these vapors to be drawn into the intake manifold and burned. The PCM monitors the flow using sensors, and any discrepancies trigger the P0441 code. Understanding this process is key to effective troubleshooting. Several issues can cause a P0441 code. The most frequent culprits include a faulty purge valve that gets stuck open or closed, preventing proper vapor flow. Blocked or leaking hoses and canister can also trigger the code, often due to clogs from debris or cracks that allow leaks. Fuel tank issues like overfilling or damaged seals cause pressure imbalances that affect the EVAP system. Sensor malfunctions, especially the fuel tank pressure sensor, can provide erratic readings that confuse the system. Rarely, ECM or PCM software glitches can cause the code, often resolved with firmware updates. Regular maintenance, like ensuring your gas cap is tight, can prevent many of these issues. According to ASE Master Technician Mike Anderson, in 70% of cases, it's the loose gas cap. If the purge valve is identified as the problem, it will likely need to be replaced. The cost typically ranges from $50 to $200 for the part. Disconnect the old valve, remove any hoses or electrical connectors, and install the new valve, ensuring all connections are secure. In the Ford Explorer fleet recall of 2022, faulty purge valves causing P0441 resulted in software updates and valve replacements, costing Ford millions. When addressing leaks in hoses and the charcoal canister, start by checking all hoses for cracks or blockages. These hoses connect various components of the EVAP system and can develop leaks over time. If you find any damaged hoses, they should be replaced to restore proper function. A cracked hose can prevent the system from maintaining the correct purge flow. Next, inspect the charcoal canister for clogs or damage. The canister stores fuel vapors and must be clear to allow proper vapor flow. If it's clogged or damaged, it needs replacement. Replacing the charcoal canister typically costs between $200 and $500, including parts and labor. A common example was the 2018 Honda Civic, where a cracked purge valve hose caused issues. This was resolved through a DIY smoke test to locate the leak and subsequent hose replacement. Ensure your fuel tank isn't overfilled, as this can damage the EVAP system. Check the fuel tank pressure sensor for proper function. If all else fails, a software update to the ECM/PCM might be necessary. Preventative maintenance, like regularly checking your gas cap and avoiding overfilling, can help avoid P0441 issues. According to Napa Auto Parts data 2025, P0441 ranks as the 5th most common OBD2 code, appearing in 8% of scans. With the rise of electric vehicles, the prevalence of P0441 codes is expected to decrease. EVs lack EVAP systems entirely. As hybrid vehicles gain market share, semi-integrated EVAP systems may evolve with better leak detection. Experts predict a shift toward modular, self-healing EVAP components using smart materials, potentially reducing repair needs by 40% by 2040. According to environmental engineer Dr. Sarah Klein, an EPA affiliate, EVs will eliminate this code by 2035.